Today we're making an add-on to Maggie. Got the LevelMate Pro here. What's a LevelMate Pro? It allows you to use an app on your phone to find a levelist spot when you're camping or boondocking. So we're gonna open it up now. What it comes with is the instruction book and the unit itself. This is all that's necessary. Now this particular LevelMate Pro, they're making them with an on-off switch now. When it is in the off position, the battery is completely disconnected from the unit. And when it's in the on position, there is a power management system in here that you control by saying how long you want this to stay alert before going to sleep without feeling any motion. So, first thing we need to do is remove these 4 screws and install the battery. I'm going to pull out the mounting screws and pull out the battery. And before we go any further, just want to point out, see that arrow? That has to be pointed up. On the cover itself, there are 2 arrows. Make sure that they are pointed up. So when they go together, the unit points up. Because later, when we put this back on, if you put it upside down, and you're looking at it going, oh yeah, the arrows have to be up. If you put it up, it's actually still upside down. It's not going to work. So just remember that. What we're going to do now, before we do anything else, is we're going to download the app. You need to go out to LevelMate Pro, download the app. I've already done it on my phone. All right, so we're going to install the battery now and then turn this on. Once you turn this on, you have 10 minutes to connect your phones or tablets. And if for some reason you need to add one later, then you just turn it off, turn it back on, you get another 10 minutes. So, take the battery out. See, there's a plus side and a negative side. That's just how batteries work. The plus side needs to be facing up. Put it in. All right, now I'm going to turn the switch on. My 10 minutes has started. It beeped. The 2 beeps will tell you the battery's good and working. Hit the app. It's searching. Going to connect to my phone now. Keep in mind, you can only have one smartphone or tablet connected at a time, so you need to close the app on one device before opening it on another. All right, so now we're just going to put the top back on. Remember, arrows pointed up.
Arrows pointed up.
Alright, so this is where we decided to mount ours. Wasn't the easiest to get it in here, but it's in here. Alright, so that's really good. Now when you install the unit, it has to be on a vertical surface, and the front has to be facing the front of the coach, the back of the coach, the driver's side, or the passenger side. The arrows have to be up, and you know you have it right if the on-off switch is on the bottom.
So to give you an idea of where we installed it, it's inside a cabinet over a couch.
The next step was to level the RV. Got the levelers down till it's leveled. We tested it with a level. We used the bathroom door method. It's not moving. We put water in the sink, and it all drained out. It didn't go to any side. So the RV is level. Now we're going to move on to the next step. We're going to do the configuration. Now our label faces to the front, that's already chosen. We will be using inches, which is already chosen, and then choose the type of vehicle. You have your travel trailer, your 5th wheel, or drivable.
That's us.
That's us. Click save. All right, now we need to go out and measure. Now we need to get the width of the RV, and then we're going to have to get the wheelbase, because those are going to have to be entered into the phone next. All right, so we need to enter in the width of the motorhome, which it is 96 inches, and then we need to do the wheelbase from center to center. Ours actually is 228. And save. All right, so we had to bring all the slides in and then step out of the vehicle, and now we're going to set the level. Yes, we do. And then we're going to use this yellow arrow to go back and make sure there are no, there are no arrows here, and everything is zeroed out. So we are good there. We are back inside the RV now, and you can see still it's all level. So hit the gear. Then you're going to hit the right arrow and hit the right arrow again. That will bring you to the advertising and display page. It's set up for 1 hour right now. So once you're set up, if the leveling unit does not feel any motion for 1 hour, it's going to put itself to sleep. So you can change that. We're just going to keep it for an hour because I can't even see keeping it that long.
Yeah, we're going to just turn it off.
And for the desired measurement resolution, we're staying with a 1/4 inch.
Because that is the most accurate.
Yep, that's the most accurate. And the country-based roadside operation, Well, we're in America and we drive on the right side of the street, so save. Yes.
Da, da, da.
Alright, we're set up. Alright, so we're going to take this off of the levelers now and just see what happens because, well, I'm curious.
See how far off we were.
Retracting all jacks. You can see how it's changing as the jacks are pulled up.
As you can see, our spot is not completely level.
Nope.
But that's why we have leveling jacks.
Yeah. And just by the way, this works without leveling jacks too. If it's showing, say, 2 inches there and your blocks are an inch each, then you just know you got to put 2 blocks down for whatever that wheel would be.
Yep. Cool.
Alright, so now we're just going to take this for a little spin so you can see how the numbers change. It will constantly be keeping track of whether or not we are level, which we're not going to be. So there you go, to LevelMate Pro. We just got back from our test drive. We got the slides out. We're nice and level. Honey, you don't have to do this in the rain anymore.
Yay!
So if you like what you saw, we'd appreciate the thumbs up. And for those of you who have not touched that button down there in the corner, I dare you, go ahead, touch it, see what happens.
The red one.
Feel free to share and comment on this video. And don't forget, Facebook, Get Gone With Us. We do have our own Facebook page. It's the best way to keep up to date with what we're doing and where we are. So, till we do a next video, I'm Chuck.
And I'm Cheryl.
But Get Gone With Us.